Hello my friends, so this is the night of doing reviews. So here is another review for you. I'll be doing the Hardell Cordless Rotary Toolkit, and I believe this is going to be a very fun tool to have in my craft room. Now they reached out to me and asked if I would like to review, and of course you guys know that whatever I review on my channel is something that I think you all can benefit from. So this is a little pouch that it comes in. This is the tool. Let me see the instruction manual. What is in here? Let's see what's in here. Cute. They put it in a little envelope. Oh sweet. I've never seen that before. I'm already falling in love with this little tool. So here is a Hardell Mini-Cordless Rotary tool, and this is the operator's manual. These are some of the features or the things that this little tool can be used for. Now let's see what it is. As you see, this is the main tool here, and these are the little bits. There's a drill, there's a sander, and then this is also sanding bits, if that's what it's called. And I guess these are different grips. Oh yes, this is going to come in very handy. Let me see here. These are QR codes that you scan that shows you how to do replacement, how to install the cutting disc, what is the usage scenario for each necessary or each accessory, how to install the bits. So I guess you scan those to get the instructions, and you have your little accessory case. Now for some of us who don't have a tool to drill holes, this will definitely come in very handy. The tool is handy, as you can see. You can hold it in your hand. It's not cumbersome or anything. Love it. And this is a cord that you would plug this up when it needs to be charged. Of course, you're going to need a block for that. Let me cover this back up. And it says to scan. Let me see how to install the bits. Let me scan and see if I see anything. Okay, click that, and it's a YouTube video too. Go away. All right, so that's how you all right, so let's put one of this on. Here are the little bits, drill bits. Now, if you are a crafter, you definitely want to have something like this in your toolbox. You definitely want to have something. These type of tools with so many little accessories comes in very handy. See, I've inserted the drill bit, and then this is the power button. You're gonna press that, and see it's spinning. Okay, it stops. This thing is spinning so fast that when you press this, you can feel it trembling in your finger. That's how powerful this little tool is. And then here, these little groove right here, that's where you'll put your finger when you're drilling. You want to make sure that you put your finger there. And then you just turn that off. And this turns down the power or turns it up. Turns it down, depending on the speed that you desire. And this turns it up. And the light there allows you to see what you're doing. And that shows you the level of power that's it's spinning at. And to press that, it goes down. Press that, it goes up. So you can drill, you can sand, you can buffer, and if you need your spanner to pull anything, you can use that. Very handy. I love this little tool. So I want to thank Hardell for sending me this tool. I definitely am going to be using this quite often in my DIY, because sometimes I need to drill a hole. Let's say you're doing a wood round and you need to put holes into the top to put your hanger. This would come in very handy for you to drill those holes. If you don't have a big bite crocodile, you can definitely use this. If you want to, just put holes into any little wood pieces that you have, definitely come in handy. So here I'm going to show you how it is used, and this is a sneak peek to my video that is coming out tomorrow. You have to come back to watch this full tutorial of this wood round, but this I'm just showing you how I'm using the Hardell handheld drill. And as you saw, I selected my drill bit, and look at how easy this is going through the wood. And this is 2 sheets of the wood round from Amazon. I glued both of them together, but that's for tomorrow. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below that you can check this out. Definitely get yourself one of these. I am so happy to have received this, and I want to thank the company for sending this out to me. Now that's it, guys. Make sure to check the description box below for that link, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.